I am making an apple-based cocktail that I call Bobbing for Apples. We're using Calvados, which is an apple brandy from France. You could also use Applejack, or any apple brandy. That's kind of key because it's a whole apple flavor.
I'd like to give a shout out to Bill Murray. These are William Murray pants. And
yes.
You literally look like Bill Murray.
William Murray golf pants, which I will
Murray golf pants.
using on the golf course this weekend.
Maybe not with the full getup on.
No, maybe I'll leave. Well, the hat's kind of cool though. I'm kind of digging the hat.
Okay.
So I'm adding some vodka. I'm going to add about twice as much vodka as apple brandy, just to soften up the flavors of the apple brandy here.
You're softening the brandy with the vodka.
You want to try a shot of this and tell me that?
No, I'm just saying how funny that is.
Vodka's a softer flavor because it doesn't really have much flavor.
No, but
now I made this. This is cinnamon simple syrup, which I made. Simple syrup again is half sugar, half water. You heat it up until the sugar melts.
With cinnamon sticks.
I added a small handful of cinnamon sticks to this, so they steep in there, and then you can store this in the fridge in a little squeezy bottle. And then to offset the sweetness of all that cinnamon sugar syrup, I'm going to add some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now I'm going to ice the drink down and shake it.
And did you say I put out the Halloween cocktail napkins?
I saw that.
He still throws the ice all over the room.
I do throw the ice everywhere but in the shaker. Yes, I like your little Halloween napkins.
I mean, Pat gave us those.
Oh, yeah. Shake, 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 shake. Now I have my my Collins glasses here filled with ice. So
maybe you could put a little bit more stuff in your way.
Well, I put the little critters here.
I see.
The gopher.
Those are Mr. Gopher's friends, the squirrel and the rabbit.
Those are my golf course nemesises. And then I'm going to top it off with some hard, sparkling cider. So it's going to be very appley. And then, because you're bobbing for apples, I got these dehydrated apple chips. You can either make them in the oven or you can just buy them.
Or you could just buy them.
Yeah, that's what we did. We just bought them. They're apple potato chips, basically. And you float them right on top. Get a couple of straws. And that is bobbing for apples.
Oh, that's what we should call him, Bob.
Hey, Bob. Cheers,
Bob.
This is our friend Bob.
Have a first sip. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.